when you are selecting a college, there are certain criteria that you have to look in for. The first criteria is, how old is your college? Is your college established in 2012 or 2002 or 2008 or whatever establishment year? Then, so why establishment year in the sense, if the college is old one, definitely there will be some systems in place and it will be easy for you to have some guidance from your faculty and all this. So if the college is old, definitely there are a lot of advantages. Then the second thing is, you have certain inspecting authorities for all these colleges. Maybe as you know, most of the colleges have to get first of all AACT inspection, then only they will come into picture. Then you have JNTUs where they also inspect every year about how many faculty are there, what are the labs that they are operating, and how is the classwork going on. All these are inspecting authority. In addition to AACT inspection and JNTU inspection, there are certain accreditation boards. Accreditation in the sense, these colleges will be evaluated. Just like a student gets evaluated on his performance, the colleges also will be evaluated. So if you look at, maybe you can look at some advertisements, NBA accredited. That means they are accredited by this association which evaluates them. What is the criteria for evaluation? They try to look at all kinds of information that is available in the college. How many faculty are there? What is the students' intake? What is the opening rank? What is the closing rank? What are the laboratory facilities available? What is the library facility that is available? What are the other facilities like bus, placements? All these are placed on paper and then documented, and then they get NBA accreditation. Some of them get A+, some of them get B+, some of them get C+, some of them are rejected. So, if the college is accredited, then it has some standing in the entire environment in the sense, in the field of engineering. So this is the second thing that you have to look at. Then the third thing, of course, is a college is known by its faculty. Faculty in the sense, are there good faculty in the college? Each department requires some 10, 20 faculty. How many faculty are there in each department? Is the faculty having good qualification, or there are only, moderate qualified faculty, or are there senior faculty in the department? All these are there. You have to look into that. Sir, how do you know this information? Sir, how do I get this information? Maybe the best thing that you should do is, you should go to college, visit the college, maybe one or two departments, you can find out what is the different profiles of the college that they are having. Or the other thing is, maybe if you have an old patient is better than doctor, right? So if there is somebody who is already doing his BTech or his second year BTech or third year BTech, you try to talk to them about how are the faculty and how do the classes go on, what is the discipline there. So the old patient is much better than even myself who I am here, right? So this is the other thing that you look at. Then of course the next category, next criteria is placements. I think all of you are having good awareness about placements. Generally what you do is, whenever you look at a college, you try to ask them, how many companies have visited this college last year? So that is the first thing. But there is little difference here. Generally don't be carried away. Sometimes 10 companies come and hire only 10 students. It is not a good picture. So don't just go by quantity. You look at quality also. So when you look at placements information, don't just think about how many companies visited. You have to think about how many students were selected during those campus placements. And of course here I have to tell one thing. When you look at placements, it is not the college alone. It is your student. Students also need to perform. The college, if I am a college owner, I am a chairman of the college, I can bring a company to the college. But the performance is the criteria for selection. If the students are not well prepared, I don't think the students will get selected. So even that is the thing that you have to keep in mind.